Thanks, Igodi. We are in San Baronto and another pit stop. Don't worry, you are on the video. Hi, tiny dog. And here we go, we start. Let's go. Casa Dei. And we need also a pit stop because we had a problem. Buca! Oh, ce l'ho fatta! Woohoo! Tutto a posto tu? This is the Padule, right?
Yeah.
The swamp that we have here in Fucecchio. You can find a lot of funny animals here.
No fun.
Eppela.
La lista
And now the challenge begins. We still didn't approach the mountain, but we got another problem. Finally we see San Baronto, more or less 5 kilometers. And finally we ate something. This is our lunch.
Hi everybody, how are you? Fine, we are better than you. So now I'm pressure to show you and to introduce to you all my friends. The first one is this guy. His name is the Capitano, so he is the boss. After the Capitano, we have today the honor to have with us the Tenente. He's the son of the Capitano. And now we have a special guy. This is very strange. This guy comes from Mars, for your information. Was sent directly on the earth by the Martian people. The name is Bruhino. Bruhino. You can say
Io lo so chi ha detto, ma sono d'accordo anch'io, che mi sembrava...
Many thanks. Then we have the expert of the bicycle, Marco Bandi. And those faccimmero Napoli. These guys come from Vesuvio. Oops, I forgot. One guy. That one, the black guy, is called the Big Jim, probably.
Big Jim.
And then the friend of Big Jim. What was the name of the friend of Big Jim?
The white guy. The black and the white.
What guy?
Bananas man.
And the last but not least is the guy that is behind you.
Yeah! Wait a moment, we forgot to introduce you, the president. Thanks, Igodi.
Hello everybody.
Woohoo! Woohoo! E vai!
io ho cercato veramente di questa ragazza lì, vabbè, l'invenzione del mondo.
Sit your pistol over there,
Okay.
and then move there, parato,
Oh, wow.
and over there, abitone.
Over the hill.
No, just in front of you.
Oh, wow. Great.
And if you move the camera here, there is Florence.
Thanks. Igodi. And another pit stop. What a nice landscape. Wow. Io qui dovrei mettere gli occhiali, mannaggia. Woohoo! Ah! Ho già vista questa situazione, sono caduto. We are in Sambaronto. Decided to have a shortcut, but actually it is a little bit more dangerous than the normal street, but we would like to try that. Hey! Oops. Ah. Don't worry. You are on the video.
Ok.
Is everything okay? And here we woohoo! Go! Nice!
No, comunque figa, grande Marco.
Grande Marco!
Davvero. Ma infatti lui ha detto, ma anche si fa.
Wow! That's amazing! Wow! Wonderful! Amazing, I love that! What an amazing landscape! Hi tiny dog! Yeah.
Assolutamente, siamo...
And finally we're coming back home. Remember that if you liked the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you will not miss any future video. Great! So see you the next time. Bye!